Yeah.
Oh my God.
You know what? I have some problems. I have my shoulders, like they have a little bit of ache when I go like this. Look, right? And my rib, my bottom rib. You know the
Mm.
lowest one, the weakest one.
Yeah.
There's a pain in that.
Can I show you?
Yeah, but it's mine. It's not yours. It's mine. My, I'm touching it now. The bottom one, the smallest one, right? Right?
You're
When
too
I was on,
you're too stressful. You need to take a relax. You need to relax your mind and your body now and then.
and not do what? Relax my body and do what? My mind and body.
Remind your body and your mind for several times per day. It can 3 minutes or 2 minutes is enough
To relax.
to relax. Yeah,
It's hard. It's hard.
it's not hard. Just close your mind
Mhm.
to observe yourself.
Yeah, probably.
It is an important way to improve your shoulders and your ribs. Mm.
Like if I hurt my rib, then you think that'll help cure it. It'll help heal it.
If you observe,
Yeah, if I hurt my rib somehow, you think if I just relax, it will help?
yeah, it will help.